Hi my dear students, this is Prasanna, your maths tutor. Dear students, in the previous video, we learned the perpendicular lines and we also solved the exercise 5.5 based on it. So in this today's video, we are going to learn classification of triangles. So before going for the classification of triangles, let us record the definition of triangle first. So triangle is a simple polygon made of three line segments. So now we shall continue our classification of triangles. So as you can see that dear students, here I have drawn few triangles on the board. Now let us begin our classification. So usually classification is done based on some characteristics, right? So here also the classification is done based on the sides and angles of these triangles. Let us see how these triangles are different from one to the another. So when you look at the first triangle, so you will see that this side of the triangle is equal to this side, which means this side and this side are equal. Then when you look at the angles of this triangle separately, see here the angle which is exactly opposite to this means the angle which is corresponding to this side and the angle which is corresponding to this side are also equal, which means if this angle is 30 degree, then this angle will also be 30 degree because their sides are equal. That is why the angles which are corresponding to those two sides are also equal. So in the first triangle, two sides and two angles are equal. Let's go for the second triangle now. So in this triangle, let's go for the comparison of sides. So this side is equal to this side and the same side is also equal to this side, which means in the second triangle all the sides are equal. Then let us see the angles now. So this angle which is corresponding to this side and this angle which is corresponding to this side and this angle which is corresponding to this side, which means in a triangle if the three sides are equal, then their angles will also be equal. If this is 60, this will also be 60 degree. If this is 60 degree, then this will also be 60 degree because all the three sides are equal here. That is why all the three angles will also be equal in such a type of triangle. So here, when you look at the third triangle, so here you can see that this side is equal to this side, which means this side and this side are equal and corresponding to angles are also equal. So in this triangle also two sides and two angles are equal. Then when you go to the next triangle, so here you can see that this side is not equal to this side and the same side is not equal to this side. So that is why in this triangle no sides are equal as well as no angles are also equal. So now let us begin the classification based on sides and based on angles. So in a triangle, all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. Then such a type of triangle is called as equilateral. So see here, the word itself says that equi means all the sides must be equal and all the angles must be equal. If so, then such type of triangle is called as equilateral triangle. So here, this is the equilateral triangle because here all the sides are equal and at the same time all the angles are equal. Then let's go for the another type of triangle. So here isosceles triangle, which says that in a triangle if two sides are equal and their opposite angles are also equal, then such type of triangle is called as isosceles triangle. So where are the isosceles triangles here? So here two sides are equal, their opposite angles. See here, its opposite angle is this and its opposite angle is this, or its corresponding angle is this and its corresponding angle is this. So here two sides and two angles are equal. Here also two sides and their corresponding angles are also equal. So such type of triangles are called as isosceles because in these two triangles two two sides are equal and at the same time two angles are also equal. That is why these two are isosceles triangle. And when you look at this triangle, so here all angles are not equal and all sides are not equal. That is why this type of triangle is called as scalene triangle. So scalene triangle is a triangle where no sides are equal as well as no angles are equal. So now we have done our classification based on sides. Now let's look at let us particularly concentrate on angles of these triangles. So here you can see that when you look at the angles of this triangle, only concentrate on angles now, because based on side we have classified successfully. Now you have to concentrate only on angles of these triangles. So when you concentrate on angles of these triangles, so you will find that all these angles, the measures of all these angles are less than 90 degrees, so that these angles can be called as acute angles, right? Then when you come to the second triangle, here also when you concentrate on the angles only and when you look at the angles, here also the measures of all these angles are less than 90 degrees, so that these angles are acute angles. But when you come to the third triangle, so here two angles are acute. In addition to that, one of the angles is 90 degree. One of the angles measures 90 degree. So the triangle in which all the sides, the measures of all the angles is less than 90 degree, then such type of triangle is called as acute angle triangle. So let me repeat again. The triangle in which the measures of all the angles are less than 90 degree, then such type of triangles are called as acute angle. So in an acute angle triangle, the angles will be, the measures of the angles will be less than 90 degrees, so that these two triangles are called as acute angle triangle. Whereas this triangle is different from these two, because so here one of the angles measures 90 degrees, so that such a type of triangle is specially called as right angled triangle, because so in this triangle one of the angles is 90 degree. Others may be acute, I agree. But the third, another angle is exactly equal to 90 degrees, so that this type of triangle is called as right angled triangle. But when you look at this triangle, especially this triangle, others two are acute angle, but other angle means one of the angles is more than 90 degree, means it is obtuse angle. So that is why this type of triangle is called as obtuse angled triangle. So now we are, on the whole we can classify the triangles based on sides as equilateral triangle where all the sides and all angles are equal, then isosceles where only two sides and two angles are equal, then scalene where all the sides are not equal and all the angles are not equal. Then triangles can also be classified based on angles. So the angle in which all the angles are measuring, the less than 90 degree, then such type of triangle is called as acute angle triangle. And the angle in which one of the angles measures 90 degree, then such type of triangle is called as right angle triangle. And the next one is the triangle in which the measure of one of the angles is more than 90 degree, then such type of triangle is called as obtuse angled triangle. So this is how we can classify the triangles. Well students, so let us solve the exercise 5.6 based on the classification of triangles. So your first question that reads like, name the types of the following triangles. So here some triangles are given and you need to identify which type of triangles they are. So the first statement is, the triangle with the lengths of sides 7 cm, 8 cm and 9 cm, which means there is a triangle and where the length of sides are like this. The length of first side is 7 centimeter, the length of second side is 8 centimeter, and the length of third side is 9 centimeter, which means all the sides are having different length. So that is why what type of triangle it is? It is skeleton triangle. So this skeleton triangle. Let's go for the second statement. So in the triangle ABC, with AB is equal to the 8.7 centimeter, means the first side AB is 8.7 centimeter, second side length that is EC is 7 centimeter, and third side that is BC and its length is 6 centimeter. So here also you can see that all sides are having different length. So that is why what type of triangle it is? It is also skeleton triangle. Let's go for the third. In the triangle PQR, such that first side is equal to the second side, that is QR, and QR is equal to the third side, that is PR, and all the sides are equal to the length of 5 centimeter. So that is why what type of triangle it is? It is equilateral. So because all the sides are having the same measurement here, that is 5 centimeters, and that's why it is equilateral triangle. Then let's go for the next statement, that is in the triangle DEF with measurement of angle D, that is 90 degree. So in a triangle, the measure of one of the angles is 90 degree, then such type of triangle is called as what? Right angle triangle. So it is right angled triangle. I am not writing the triangle in every case, I am just writing which type. So it is right angle triangle, you can write on your own. Then let's go for the next statement, that is E. In the triangle XYZ with measurement of angle Y, that is equal to 90 degree, and the sides XY and YZ are equal. So first of all, see here it is a special type of triangle where one angle, the measurement of one angle is 90 degree and the sides, two other sides are equal here. So that if two sides are equal in a triangle, then such type of triangle is called an isosceles. We know this already. So it is isosceles. In addition to that, one of the angles measures 90 degree. That is why it is isosceles right angle. Isosceles right angle triangle. Then the next statement that reads like in the triangle LMN with measurement of L that is 30 degree and with measurement of angle M that is 70 degree and with measurement of angle N that is equal to 80 degree. So here you can say that the measures of all these angles are less than 90 degrees, so that they are acute angles. So the triangle where all the measures of the angles are less than 90 degree, then such type of triangle is called as acute angle. So acute angle triangle. Let's go for the second main now. So the second main reads like match the following. So in the list A, they have given some items so which show that these are the measures of the triangles. So in the list B, we got some items so which show that these are the types of triangles. So we need to match these items of list A with the items of list B. First item means first question, that is three sides of equal length. So in a triangle, if three sides are of equal length, then what type of angle it is? What type of triangle it is? It is equilateral. So where is that? Here it is. I am going to number them so that you can easily understand. So the first one is equilateral. So that's why it is first match, right? Next is two sides of equal length. So two sides of equal length means two sides are equal in a triangle. So that is what? Isosceles. So where is that isosceles? It is here. So this is the second answer, isosceles. All sides are of different length. So in a triangle where all sides are not equal, means they are having, if they are having different length, then what type of triangle it is? It is scalene. So where is that scalene? Scalene is here. So this is the third answer, right? Next, three acute angles. So just now I said in a triangle where three sides are acute, then such type of triangle is called as acute angle triangle. So this is the fourth answer, acute angle triangle, right? Next, one right angle. So it is in a triangle if one of the angles measures is 90 degree, right angle is 90 degree. So that such a type of triangle is called as right angle triangle. So this is the fifth answer. Then next the sixth one obtuse angle. So obtuse angle triangle. So where is that? Obtuse angle. So this is the sixth one. Sixth one, right? And one right angle with two equal sides. So it is very similar to this question. So if two sides are equal means it is isosceles and one of the angle is equal to the one right angle. So where is that? Isosceles right angle. So this is the seventh answer. So this is how we need to match the following. Well, students, let us solve the third main that reads like name each of the following triangles in two different ways. Two different ways means based on angles and based on sides. And you may judge the nature of angle by observation. As you can see that here, only the lengths of sides are given, but the measures of angles are not given, so that you can easily judge them just by observation. So when you look at the first triangle, so here you can see that the lengths of two sides are equal here. Means this side and this side is equal, so that it is isosceles triangle, and at the same time all the angles are acute here. So that is why which type of angle it is. They are telling that name each of the following triangles in two different ways. So that first is isosceles, and next is acute angle. So that acute angled triangle. So this is the first angle. First triangle. The next one. So here you can say that the lengths of all sides are not equal, but one of the angles measures 90 degrees. So that it is right angled, and since all the sides are not equal, so it is scaling triangle. Right angle, scaling triangle. So here these two angles are acute, but one of the angles measures more than 90 degrees, so that it is obtuse triangle, and at the same time, so here two sides are equal. Means this side is 7 centimeter, this side is also 7 centimeter. So that it is isosceles, correct? Isosceles and obtuse angle triangle. Okay. Let's go for this triangle. So here, this side and this side are equal in length. So that, and at the same time, one of the angles measure 90 degree here. So that is isosceles, correct? Isosceles and right angled triangle. Let's go for the next one. So here all the lengths of sides are equal, so that it is equilateral triangle, and at the same time all the angles are seen to be acute, so that it is acute angled triangle, at the same time it is equilateral. So that first we can write equilateral. So this is based on sides, equilateral, and based on angles means it is acute angled triangle. Next one. So here you can say that first of all the lengths of all sides are not same, so that it is scaling, and one of the angles measures more than 90 degrees, so that it is scaling and obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. So this is how we can name the different types of triangles based on sides as well as angles. So let's go for the fourth one, that is try to construct the triangles using matchsticks. Some are shown here. See here, some are already shown here. And can you make the triangle with 3 mastic, with 4 mastic, and 5 mastic, and 6 mastic? So if not, if it is not possible to make the triangle with these mastics, we have to give a proper reason. So first, let us try to make a triangle with the 3 matched sticks. So it is the 1, second, 3. See here, first matchstick, second matchstick, and third matchstick, which means with the 3 matchsticks we can make the triangle. Let us try with 4. So, and one more thing you have to notice here that the sum of the lengths of two sides is always greater than the third side. We already know this, but we have to remember here. And here 4 matchsticks. So here when you use 4 matchsticks, hardly you can make a square, right? Hardly you can make a square. So that with 4 matchsticks we cannot make a triangle. And one more thing is that here that the sum of the two sides is more than the, greater than the third side, or cannot be applied here. That's why with 4 matchsticks we cannot make the triangle. Then 5 matchsticks. Let's try that. So first 2, 3, then okay 4, then 5. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here, we can make the triangle with 5 mastics, and at the same time angles are acute angles here. See here, this angle is acute, this is also acute, this is acute, 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 and here also all the angles are acute in the first case. Let us try with the 6 matched sticks. So here 1, 2, right, 4, 5. See here, 1 mastic, second mastic, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and next is 6. So with the 6 mastics also we can make the triangles, and here also the angles are acute angles. So this is how we can solve the exercise 5.6.